Take 1 liter of water and bring it to a boil. Then add 100 grams of soya chunks and boil for 3 minutes on high flame. Turn off the flame, cover and keep it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove the soya chunks from the hot water. Then take cold water and wash the soya chunks. Squeeze out the water completely from the soya chunks. Let's move on to the next step. Boiled soya chunks, 1 cup gram flour, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe. Take boiled soya chunks, then add turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, add 1 sachet of Maggi Masala Magic, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and mix it well. After mixing all the ingredients well, now add gram flour, dark soy sauce and lemon juice and mix it well. Now take a pan and heat oil for shallow fry. Gently drop the soya chunks one by one into the hot oil and fry for 5 minutes on medium-high flame till it's golden. And our soya masaledar popcorn is ready to eat. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!